morning, mighty owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Monday, October 19th, 2020. It's an A day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for our owl pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my owl pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, Idea South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here are some things that are happening, and you'll see in the Family Weekly. Scholars and families. Today, please make sure and wear pink in honor and awareness of cancer. So make sure and wear your pink shirts today. On the 29th, Miss Weiner and Principal Lopez will be doing some pumpkin painting. So read in the Family Weekly to see how you can join in with us doing some painting of our pumpkins. Also, remember, scholars, every day is a day to learn. So 88 counts. Make sure and follow up on the Family Weekly to see how you can be entered into a drawing to see who wins our next prize for attendance. Have a great day. Today's a great day to learn. Hoot, hoot.